Hello everyone, in today's video we're diving into the world of smart home lighting with a roundup of the top 10 smart switches and dimmers for this year. If you're looking to enhance your home lighting with smart technology, you have come to the right place. We have carefully reviewed and selected these top picks based on design, quality, usability and features to help you find the perfect match for your needs. Let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Kasa Smart Dimmer Switch HS220. This product is an excellent choice for anyone looking to add smart functionality to their home lighting. This sleek, modern dimmer switch features a clean, minimalist design that fits seamlessly into any decor. With its easy installation process and intuitive setup through the Kasa Smart app, you can quickly control the brightness of your lights from anywhere. The HS220 supports voice commands via Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for hands-free control. This dimmer switch boasts a responsive touchpad that makes adjusting light levels simple and precise. The Kasa HS220 is also known for its reliability and durability, built to handle long-term use without performance degradation. Its energy-saving feature ensures that you are not only enhancing your home's ambience but also reducing energy consumption. The Kasa Smart Dimmer Switch HS220 is a top pick for its blend of smart technology and user-friendly design. Moving on to the next number 2 with Lutron Diva LED Dimmer Switch. This switch combines functionality with elegance, offering a stylish solution for controlling LED lighting. The dimmer switch features a classic design with a large, easy-to-use dial that provides precise control over light levels. It's designed specifically for LED bulbs, ensuring smooth, flicker-free dimming that enhances your lighting experience. Installation is straightforward, with the Diva dimmer switch feeding into a standard wall box. Its high-quality construction ensures long-lasting performance, and it's compatible with a wide range of LED bulbs, making it a versatile option for various lighting setup. The Lutron Diva is also known for its durability, with a design that withstands steady use while maintaining its aesthetic appeal. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking both style and functionality in the lighting control. Coming in at number 3 is the Lutron Ariadni Toggler LED Dimmer. This product is perfect for those who prefer a traditional toggler switch combined with modern dimming capabilities. This dimmer switch supports up to 150 watts, making it suitable for a range of lighting applications. Its unique design allows for easy operation with a simple up and down toggle motion to adjust light levels. The Ariadni Toggler Dimmer is compatible with most LED and CFL bulbs, offering a smooth dimming experience without flicker. Installation is hassle-free, fitting into a standard wall box with no additional wiring required. Its robust build quality ensures reliability, and the sleek design complements various interior styles. The Lutron Ariadni Toggler is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and stylish dimmer switch. Next at number 4 we have TOPGREENER Tabletop Plug-in Dimmer. This product is a unique option for those who need flexibility in their lighting control. Unlike traditional wall-mounted dimmers, this model is designed to sit on a table or desk, providing an easy-to-access dimming control without the need for complex installation. Without a compact and modern design, the TOPGREENER Dimmer is perfect for controlling lamps and other plug-in light fixtures. It features a simple rotary dial for adjusting brightness levels and is compatible with most standard lamps. The durability of this dimmer ensures that it will perform reliably over time, and its ease of use makes it a convenient addition to any room. If you are looking for a portable and user-friendly dimmer, the TOPGREENER Tabletop Plug-in Dimmer is an excellent choice. The number 5 position is held by Lutron Caseta Smart Lighting Dimmer Switch. This product stands out for its advanced smart features and ease of use. This dimmer switch integrates seamlessly with smart home systems including Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for voice and remote control for your lighting. The Caseta dimmer switch is known for its reliable performance and user-friendly setup. Installation is straightforward, fitting into a standard wall box with minimal effort. The switch offers precise control over light levels, and its energy-saving features have reduced power consumption. The Lutron Caseta is also compatible with a wide range of bulbs including LED, incandescent and halogen, making it a versatile option for any home. Its sleek design and smart capabilities make it a top choice for those looking to modernize their lighting control. Number 6 position is dominated by Leviton Decora Smart Voice Dimmer Switch. This product is a feature-rich option that combines dimming functionality with voice control. This switch is compatible with both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control your lights using simple voice commands. Its modern design fits well with any decor, and the touch-sensitive controls provide a smooth user experience. The Decora Smart Voice Dimmer Switch supports a variety of lighting types, including LED, CFL, and incandescent bulbs. It also offers scheduling and automation features through the My Leviton app, enabling you to set lighting scenes and routines. The high build quality ensures durability and long-term performance, making it a reliable choice for smart lighting enthusiasts. If you are looking for a versatile and intelligent dimmer switch, the Leviton Decora is an excellent pick. At the 7th position of our list, we have a GE CYNC Smart Dimmer Light Switch with Motion Sensor. This product is an innovative solution for those who want both dimming capabilities and automated lighting control. This switch features a built-in motion sensor that automatically adjusts the light level based on occupancy, adding convenience and energy savings to your home. Its sleek design complements modern interior and installation is simple, feeding into a standard wall box. The CYNC dimmer switch is compatible with most smart home systems, including Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for voice and remote control. The motion sensor feature ensures that lights are only on when needed, reducing energy waste. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, the GE CYNC Smart Dimmer is a great addition to any smart home setup. The number 8 position is held by Enbrighten Zigbee Dimmer with QuickFit SimpleWire. This product is a top choice for those looking for a smart dimmer switch that integrates easily with Zigbee-based smart home systems. Its QuickFit SimpleWire design simplifies installation, making it a convenient option for DIY projects. This dimmer switch offers smooth and reliable dimming performance, compatible with a wide range of LED and incandescent bulbs. The Enbrighten Zigbee dimmer is known for its high build quality and long-lasting durability, ensuring consistent performance over time. It integrates seamlessly with other Zigbee devices, allowing for comprehensive smart home automation. If you are looking for a robust and easy-to-install dimmer switch, the Enbrighten Zigbee dimmer is a great choice. Next up at number 9, we have the brilliant Smart Home Control 2-switch panel. This product is a high-tech option that combines lighting control with a full-featured smart home hub. This panel features a large touchscreen interface that provides intuitive control over your lighting as well as other smart home devices. Its sleek modern design enhances any room, and it offers comprehensive control over multiple lighting zones and devices. The brilliant panel supports voice control through built-in Amazon Alexa, allowing for hands-free operation. Its advanced feature includes customizable lighting scenes, scheduling, and automation, making it a powerful tool for managing your smart home. The durability and versatility of the brilliant Smart Home Control panel makes it a standard choice for those seeking an all-in-one smart home solution. Finally, the number 10 position is held by Kasa Smart Motion Sensor Switch Dimmer. This product is a versatile option that combines motion sensing with dimming control. This smart switch automatically adjusts the lighting based on room occupancy, ensuring that lights are only on when needed. It integrates seamlessly with the Kasa Smart app, allowing for remote control and customization. The design of the Kasa Smart Motion Sensor Switch Dimmer is sleek and modern, fitting well with various home decors. It supports voice control through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, adding convenience to your lighting management. Its motion sensing capabilities enhance energy efficiency by reducing unnecessary lighting, while the dimming function allows for precise control over light levels. For a smart dimmer switch with advanced features, the Kasa Smart Motion Sensor is an excellent choice. That wraps up our list of the top 10 smart switches and dimmers for 2024. Each of these products offers unique features and capabilities, making them a great option for enhancing your home lighting. Be sure to choose the one that best fits your needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content on smart home technology.